Good morning class. Assalamu alaikum. We have learned the definition of sets. Sets mean describe any collection of well-defined and distinct objects. Got it? And we define sets capital letters, just like here. Use capital letters denote a set, and we use small letter alphabet to define the element of set. Now you come on next one. We also learn about the equal sets. Equal sets mean if two sets are equal and the elements are also same. Two sets A and B are equal if they contain exactly same elements, and we write A equal to B. For example, if 1 2 3 4 and B equal to 2 4 1 3, these are equal, so we say that this is equal set. After that, we have learned about the empty set. Empty set means if any set contain no element, there is no element if any set, then we say that this is empty set. We denote by empty set just like this and also just like this is definition of empty set. Now we also learn about describing a set. Describing, there are three ways to describing a set. First one is describing a set in words, just like the set of all positive even number less than 10. Set of all positive even number less than 10. Second method is listing all the elements in a set in set notation. Okay, now tell me set of all a positive even number less than 10. This is even number, this is 2 4 6 8. Less than 10, so that 10 is not included, just like 2 4 6 8. Third one is describing the element in a set in set notation, just like this. X such that x is a positive even integer less than 10. This one. X is the positive even number less than 10. This also look here, we read this as x is such that x is a positive even integer less than 10. We write just like this. Got it? Now you come on exercise. This is exercise 14A, basic level, question number 1. Question number 1 is B is a set of all positive integers less than 11. Okay, first we make the set B. Exercise 14A, question number 1. B is the set of positive odd integers. This is B set of positive odd integers mean 1 3 5 7 9, all positive less than 11. 11 less than 11, so that 11 is not included. Got it? Bracket close. Okay, now first part A, list all the elements of B in set notation. This is set notation, this is A part. Answer. Got it? We write this set in the form in bracket, so we say that these are in the set notation. This set is in this R element is in set notation, and this is called set notation of all positive integers. Got it? First part is done. Now next part, B part is state whether each of the following statement is true or false. There are 4 statements given. We say that this statement true or false. First one is 1. This symbol is called belong to. This symbol is called belong to. Got it? Yeah, element of. Okay, now for this is A part, first part. This is second part. 4 does not belong to, या not element of B. Third part is 0 belong to B, and fourth part is 11 does not belong to B. These are the 4 part of B part. Okay, now 1 is the element of B, या 1 belong to B. Got it? 1 belong to B, 1 is the element of B, so this is true. And second part is 4 does not belong to B. 4 is here in B set? No. So therefore does not belong to B. So that this is also true. Got it? After this, third part is 0 belong to B. But now you come on A part. 0 is the element and does not contain in set B. So that this is false. Got it? And fourth part is 11 does not belong to B. This is belong to. If there is a line, then we say that this is does not belong to. Okay, 11 does not belong to B. 11 is not in set B, so that this is true. Got it? This is just like objective questions. Now you come on next question. State the number of elements in each of the following set. Okay, first part is months in a year. How many months in a year? 12, equal to 12. Got it? Second part is question number 2, first part. Months in a year. How many months in the year? 12, equal to 12. B part is odd numbers. Which numbers? Odd numbers. Odd numbers mean the numbers that are not divisible by 2. Odd numbers between 10 and 26. Between 10 and 26 mean we take between numbers, just like odd numbers between 10. After 10 we take 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, and 26 is not included because we take between 10 and 26, so that these are odd numbers. We also write in set notation. Got it? C part is pupils in your class who are taller than you. Got it? आपने देखना है कि आपकी क्लास में कितने स्टूडेंट्स आपसे लंबे हैं. मे बी these are 4, maybe 3, maybe 2, maybe 1. Got it? I write 3. Got it? Now D part is color in your school flag. How many colors in your school flag? Blue and white. So I write 2, blue and white. You also write here white and blue. Got it? Now E part is colors of a rainbow. You know that the color of rainbows are 7. I write 7. Now F part is horoscope sign. There are 12 horoscope signs. Got it? Now you come on question number 3. List all the elements in each of the following set in a set notation. We write all the elements in the set notation. Now first part is A equal to, A is the set, A is the name of this set. X such that X is a positive integer between 1 and 10. Set is A, positive integer 1 and 10. Between positive integers, so that 1 or 10 are not included. Just like 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on 10, 9. Got it? We take positive integer between 1 and 10 so that 1 or 10 are not included. Okay, now B part is, this is A part. B equal to, B is the set name. B equal to X such that X is a negative integer. There are negative integers between -10 and -1 inclusive. Inclusive mean कि -1 and -10 is also included. Got it? Between -10 and -1. So these are -10, -11, -8, -6, -5, -4, -2 and -1. Here 10 and -1 is also included, just like this. We take integer between -10 and -1. Now next part is C, the set name equal to C. Got it? Now x such that x is a positive even integer. X is a positive even integers. Even mean that integers which are divisible by 2 such that x is greater than minus 2. X is greater than minus 2 less or equal to 12. X is greater than minus 2 less or equal to 12. Just like you take only even integers, x greater than minus 2. After this there is minus 1, but this is odd. Then 0, no. Then 1, no. Then 2, yes. 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Got it? And this is x, just like look here, x greater than 2 minus 2. X, the value which are greater than minus 2 are minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and less and equal to. This is less sign, and if there is line then we say that less and equal to. Got it? It's week 12 is also include, and then 12. While minus 1 is not even integer, 0 is not even integer, 1 is not even integer. That's why these are not included. So that 2, 3 is not even integer, 4, 5 is not even integer, now so on. Got it? Now you come on next. D is the set of vowels in the word happy. D is a set of vowels in the word of happy. The set name is D. HAPPY. Only A is vowel. Just like this. Only A is vowel in the word happy. Got it? Note down all work, and if there is any query then inbox me. Thank you.